Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, October 31st, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the dollar Swiss, I've been talking about this potential WXY for probably almost 2 weeks now. I think this is an A. I think this is a B. I think we're potentially going to keep on going up for an uptrend for a wave C, probably take out these previous highs of the wave W at least. So keeping that in mind, we're definitely bullish on shorter time frames. Going down to the sort of time frames, if you zoom out a little bit, you can see that I do have my Fibonacci retracement from here to here because these fib levels are often support or resistance depending on your direction. If we do, make like a significant double top and then it goes down and breaks structure on the 1 hour, then you could definitely go back to looking for shorts. But for now, I would definitely be recommending nothing but longs. This is a lower high right here, so if it goes down and takes out that low, that definitely means nothing to me. It needs to be a double top at least, and then a break of structure before it actually continues the uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.